Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Yenn. I'm really excited to share with you another smoothie recipe. And I hope you like avocados because I will be making apple avocado smoothie. As you all know, avocado is a superfood that is rich in protein and vitamin E. Apple, on the other hand, is known for keeping the doctors away as it is good for your heart and helps lower your cholesterol. When you mix these two together, you have yourself a healthy, good meal. Let me show you what you need. An apple cut into cubes, an avocado, a cup of unsweetened milk, and about a teaspoon of lemon juice. To prevent the apples from browning, soak the cut apple in lightly salted water for a short while. We will also need a hand blender, a knife, a beaker, and an empty jar. Let us make smoothie! Before we begin, always remember to wash your hands. Let us start by putting the apple, avocado, lemon juice and milk into the beaker. Next, take the hand blender and blend until all is smooth and creamy. Finally, pour your smoothie into an empty jar and drink immediately. This is a refreshing smoothie. When making this smoothie, you can get help from your little ones by telling them to take the ingredients needed for the smoothie. I hope you enjoyed your smoothie. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next week. Bye!